Hello everybody and welcome back to the Timothy Cooking Show. Today I'm preparing a stir fry. For this dish you will need bamboo shoots, bean sprouts, garlic, oyster sauce, red pepper, green onions, cilantro, broccoli, beef bouillon, and of course beef. Right now, everything prepared. Let me turn it on my burner. You want to saute your bean sprouts and your bamboo shoots. Right now I'm sauteing my bamboo shoots and my bean sprouts. Garlic. Half of 1/3 of a cup of beef bouillon. Half of the chili sauce. Half green onions. Half the cilantro. Getting a phone call right now, but I kind of can't take it, so they're gonna have to wait. I'll mix this up. I'm gonna let it just kind of get its flavoring. Yeah, so I figured I'd do this, kind of trying to get another opinion out there. Yeah. This is considered a Thai dish. This is what it's looking like. This is how it's supposed to look. Bamboo shoots. Kind of just let that just cook a little bit. This is a good dish to make with rice. So now I'm entering my oyster sauce. That was approximately 1 cup. Now if it doesn't look like this, you missed a step. Okay, I've just entered the rest of the red peppers inside there, mixing the rest of the green onions, cilantro. Oh no, you know you good for a plate all day. The rest of my beef bouillon. That's what it looks like. Let that